Dear viewers, welcome to Manju's vlog. Today I am going to prepare a vegetarian starter paneer tikka which can be prepared at home without a tandoor. Cut paneer into square pieces. I am also using assorted colored capsicum, onion and tomato cut into cubes as shown. In an empty bowl, add 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of garam masala powder and salt to be added as per requirement. Now mix well all the ingredients using a spoon. I am adding 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi powder to and using a spoon mix well again. I am adding a pinch of orange red color to get that orange color and mix well. Now add the cut cubes of paneer to the masala and mix well on all sides and transfer to a plate. Once paneer is finished, add the cut cubes of capsicum, onion and tomatoes and mix well along with the masala and keep this marinated vegetables as well as paneer in the chiller for 1 to 1.5 hours. Remove the marinated paneer and vegetables. Take a skewer and place the vegetable first, then the paneer and again the capsicum, onions and tomatoes so that the paneer and the vegetables are sandwiched between both so that it will be easy for the grilling purpose. Continue the process till you finish the paneer. I have some leftover vegetables, so I am just adding all the vegetables to a skewer so that we can grill along with the paneer. The skewer of paneer and vegetables is ready to grill. I have added chopped coriander leaves just to get that flavor. Switch on the burner, keep the ribbed pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or also called as clarified butter. Once it is heated, place the skewer one by one on the heated ribbed pan as shown. Close the pan now and let it cook on a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now open the pan. You could see the side which was placed on the rib has been cooked well. So you need to turn the paneer so that the other sides are cooked evenly. So turn around the paneer. Now again cover the pan. Continue the same process till you have all the sides of the paneer and the vegetable are cooked evenly on this ribbed pan. Not to forget just to add more ghee to the same. Now open the pan. The vegetable and paneer is cooked well. I am just transferring the ready paneer tikka to a square platter, and the perfect combination for the paneer tikka is the mint chutney. I'll be coming up with the recipe of the mint chutney in the coming session. Also, a small bowl of salad made out of very thin slices of onion, capsicum as well as coriander leaves with a drizzle of chaat powder and salt. A favorite treat for all the veg lovers. If you like this session of preparing paneer tikka served with mint chutney, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive automatic notifications once my new videos are uploaded on YouTube in the coming days. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.